Welcome my channel. Alright, today I want to review one item from Hasbro Lightning Collection, Zeo Ranger, Zeo number 5 Red Ranger. Okay, this one front of the box, you can look very nice for the box. I like this one box. Okay, this one left of the box, you can look right of the box, back of the box. Okay, you can look the photo Red Ranger. Alright, this one, top of the box and bottom of the box. Okay guys, I remind you, don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel guys. Alright, let's go to unboxing this item. I'm very happy for unboxing this item. Alright guys, okay, let's go. Now I already out of the box. Okay, you can look Zeo number 5 Red Ranger. Okay, I get a part for the box from the Zeo number 5. Okay, first you can look the sword, the special sword from the Zeo Ranger, the commandant of the Zeo Red Ranger, Zeo Ranger. Alright, you can get one sword. Alright, this one you can look. I think they're very nice for detail color. This one star, you can look. Right, the back color for the details, the sword, nice. Okay, this one same for the before the sword and the blue Zeo Ranger you can get. I think already for the Zeo Ranger you can get the sword, this one. Okay, I get two piece close hand, punch hand. Hiya. Okay. Oh. Alright, and this one you can get. You can look for the head sculpt Tommy for the Zeo Ranger. This one, the head. You can look. Okay. For this figure, very nice. I think so far nice for the Zeo Ranger, and one effect from the gun. I think yes, from the gun same. Alright, can put here for the effect the gun. Alright, I think the part I get this one the very best. And I show you for the head, you can change the head scope for Tommy. Okay, do you like? I think nice for the Tommy Zeo Red Ranger. Okay, so far the Red Ranger. Alright, for this one, okay, we change for the head scope Red Ranger. Okay, right, for the Red Ranger, for detail you can look for this one. Alright, head scope for Red Ranger, very nice, clean. For the gold, white, the lace, this one. Okay, Zeo. Right, the back bell, you can look for the glove and the gold. Right, the boot you can look. I think nice for this figure. Okay, I think the boot color is a perfect color. Alright, I think very cool this figure. Show number 5, right? Okay, we try for the articulation. For the articulation, you can do. Okay, you can up and down. Okay, rotate 360 rotate, you can Okay, hand up and down, up and down. Okay, double joint elbow. Okay, this one you can, oh, you cannot up and down. This one angle, don't have angle. Maybe for the, you can, this one it's okay, but the other hand you can up and down. For the punch hand, this one is okay. Alright, for the torso you can front and back. Okay, can rotate. Okay, for the leg can front and back, back out. Okay, this one rotate, double joint knee. For the angle, for the boot, alright, can up, down. Alright, can rotate this one. Okay, now for the articulation I will show you. Alright, okay, how many inch I will show you. I think 6 inch around. Okay, 6 inch around for the figure. Alright, I very like for the figure, and the compare for the figure I will show you the compare for the other figure Zeo from Zeo Ranger. I will compare for the two figure, Gold Ranger, Zeo Gold Ranger and Zeo Blue Ranger. Alright, for the three figure I think same the articulation and the size. For the compare size you can look same. Very nice for Hasbro for the out of the Zeo 5 Ranger, and thank you so much. Alright, and I think I buy from this figure only around 110 ringgit, and USD around 19 USD. Okay, I think enough for this figure, and thank you very much for watching this video guys, and see you by the next video. Alright, bye bye.